They're refusing to give me a tighter stop loss. That's okay. I'll permit that. My TP should also be set right to where it's supposed to be. And then I need to have a stop too. So I'll set this stop right here. It's 1 minute time frame, and they're refusing to give me very sharp entries. The broker is also not giving me what I'm looking for. So that's it. No, I needed to have this. I needed to have TP set as well as the stop. They're refusing to give me very tight ones. I don't know why. Okay, right there, they're green. Because I know what I want to do. First of all, they gave me the wrong entries, but that's okay. You're not going to be a crybaby over things the market is choosing to do. So what am I looking for? I'm looking for a trade that's going to come into, sorry, I didn't need that. I'm looking for a trade that is going to run and then come into this fair value gap. My sell had some slippage, but that's fine, no problem. So this candle immediately it confirmed the fair value gap. We are not yet even in any blues, and doesn't look nice. Yeah, I can put one of that here. And another one just right there as TP. So you guys are watching this happening live. Charts going to 1 minute time frame. The way brokers behave, they have not yet still given me anything called blue. I'm doing this for your viewership. So let's watch and see what happens. That should not scare you at all. It's very normal for the market to behave like that. And someone else was saying when they are trading against you, they count so fast. Look at this candle without a wick. This one, you can be sure they put a wick here. Just keep your eye here, you see it. They did. That's how you know they're going nowhere. That's just a threat or something to take you out before they really proceed. If this same distance was on this side, it would be something different here. I promise you that. Anyway, that's 1 minute time frame. Let's see what happens. Our objective is we want to see a trade that runs into this 15 minutes fair value gap, right? And possibly also maybe run up to this. But that one would be, it will be what? It will be a little bit it will be a little bit ambitious. I can add one more position. Yeah, look at that broker and how they're behaving. You know, Yeah, that is immoral, man. It's just immoral. I'm trying to get some very good precision with that, and then you are just placing my buys, my sales in very wrong places. Do you bitch about that? You shouldn't. You should be relaxed, calm, and a close below this body's law would be a very good confirmation. I don't wait for confirmations anyway, because all I need to know is there is logic, and if there is logic, then I'm going to obey that logic and watch what price is going to do. So again, in 30 minutes time frame, we are doing what we refer to as implied fair value gap. Meaning we are trading into a fair value gap that is still forming. You can see that. Yeah, we don't have this fair value gap already formed, but we are trying to trade into that fair value gap that is going to form once that 1120 turns to 1130, because this is a 30 minutes candle. So we don't expect this right away to trade and pair with this at this time. We are expecting that it can trade a little bit, maybe up to here or something like that, but that's just about it. So in lower time frames, we are already in that fair value gap, and you can take your first partial at that point. You don't have to hurry about that. So we do have right here I'll put it in 1 minute time frame so it's clear. So right here we have this inversion fair value gap, as you can see it. Good. And a drop of that, and we have one candle CISD, and you're watching the drop that comes now into the implied area of the fair value gap. The implied fair value gap. I got this concept from ICT the other day. And at that point, by the way, you can take your partials, any partials you want to take, especially the one you took in much late, because the broker positioned us a little bit late for these two. And I'm not worried about it at all. So we are trying to get into the implied fair value gap, and a good indicator would be this candle here, this one here. It will tell us we have reached this area here. So for now, we are a little bit in profits, but as I tell you, if this was just on the upper side, this length, I would tell you the kind of reds you'll see there, it will be shocking you. Yeah, it does happen. It does happen that if price is going against you, then they are going to count. Where you count 5, they count 7 or 10, like that. So I'm watching it. I wanted to hit this breaker, and then I'll be done with it, because low, high, lower, low. But this breaker is inside a fair value gap, so I want them to come and at least get into this fair value gap here in 5 minutes. Once they hit this fair value gap and touch this break a little bit, I'm thinking about long positions. No bias, 80, 76 USD, whatever. And so let's see what is going to happen. Anybody telling you I'm doing bullshit, he's right, because his bullshit doesn't pay, mine pays. So I'm expecting that this is run to make a turtle soup, this low. I've done this stuff enough to see the way price will behave in some situations. And that's exactly what I'm watching right now. So I want very sharp candles to run, touch this TP and pay me. And then what next? Oh, of course, you can adjust a little bit your risk. Oh, those who want to see me fail are praying very hard that that TP is not hit. Continue praying. I told you that large candles will shoot. Very okay. That's okay, boy. So you have a breaker here formed. Let me give it that way. And by the way, this is a trade you need to watch. Low, high, lower, low, breaker, and then off of it. Why don't you just give me something of yeah, I told it they will form a turtle soup there. And that's it. That's it, folks. That's it, folks. They have touched your TP. You don't have to be this person who is demanding too much.